We got a 2015 Kia Optima 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine. This motor ran no oil, so it locked up. Spun almost every single rod bearing. We're gonna do a full rebuild on it. We're gonna do from bottom up. We got new oil pump, new crankshaft, new pistons, new piston rods. We got new rod bearings, all new seals, new head gasket. The block is fine, no damage to the cylinder walls at all. The head we did have to send to the machine shop to get it resurfaced because car ran hot and kind of warped the head, but that's fine. We got to resurface. We're gonna rebuild it, do a new head gasket on it. Yeah, it's gonna be fully rebuilt.